ready na po. Chef Lalaki, thank you so much. Thank you so much, A-Team, sa lahat ng mga co-suppliers ko. Thank you for bringing Chef Lalaki here at the Wedding Suppliers Association of the Philippines International Awards Night. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng naniwala. Lalo na sa mga hindi naniwala.
Spark conversation and ensure that no guest leaves without a smile and of course a full belly. At the Ilocos region, Creamy Cups Factory, Justin Hilliman Catering, Catering by Leah, Jericho's Catering, Dakuban Conrads, Regina's Catering, DI Catering Services, La Preciosa, Cafe Esperanza, and Olivia's Kitchen.
Brazil to the Neymar Rock Park region. Sidor Dalla by Chef Arnie.
Michael Pacay Munoz, event planner and event stylist. Alex B. Ano Nuevo, photographer. Mika Suna, makeup artist. Eric Calzada, event planner. Mako Kalina, event planner. Luca Delizisha, wedding venue.
Thank you so much po for bringing Chef Lola Kate here at the second International Awards Night here at the Newport Performing Arts Theater. Gusto ko mag-thank you syempre unang-una sa family ko, sa lahat ng mga naging clients namin. Syempre yung kitchen team, yung A-team, lahat ng mga co-suppliers ko, Canors, Bretta Stories, Ate Dian, lahat po ng mga co-suppliers namin, even yung sa Sushi ko, Gavin's, ayan, lahat po. Thank you so much sa mga co-partners ko po. MC Jonard, who's here also. Ayan, gusto ko mag-thank you kasi siya yung nag-take ng video and photos for tonight. Thank you so much. The best fun engaging host, MC Jonard po yan. Thank you so much and see you again. Of course, kami po, Chef Lola Kate for your catering services. Thank you. God bless.